The Earth is shaped like a bowl. It gets heat and light from the sun. It is neither too cold nor too hot. It has plants and trees. There are insects, birds, and many other animals on Earth. There is a layer of air around the Earth. Air is used by plants and animals to breathe. Three-quarters of the Earth is covered with water. There are many oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers on the Earth. A quarter of the Earth is land. On the land, there are many mountains and flat plains.
Night and day.
In the daytime, the light of the sun falls on the Earth, but we cannot see the sun at night. The Earth is turning on a point called its axis. The Earth turns around once in 24 hours. The turning of the Earth on its axis causes day and night. The sun causes day and night on the Earth, just like this lamp. When the sun is shining on one side of the Earth, the other side is in darkness. When it is day on one side of the Earth, it is night on the other side. The side which has day becomes warm. The side which has night cools down.
Inside the Earth.
Crust is the outermost layer of Earth. It is hard rocky shell and is covered with many oceans, continents, and islands, and high mountains.
Layers of the Earth.
Mantle is the layer of the rock below the crust. It is made of heavy rocks. Outer core lies under the mantle. This is made of hot liquid rocks. The center of the Earth is called inner core. It is the hottest part of the Earth. It is made up of solid rock.
Rocks.
Land is the part of the soil. It is made of rocks. Rocks can have many colors, sizes, and shapes. It can be in the form of sand, gravel, and boulders. Sand. It is the small pieces of broken rock. It feels rough, and it is easy to dig. People use sand in the construction of buildings and houses. It is also used to make glass. Gravel. Many small rocks together are called gravel. Gravel is used to make roads. It is used in construction of buildings and bridges. Boulders. Big rocks are called boulders. We can find boulders in mountains. Soil. It is the mixture of rocks and dead plants and animals. Soil may have sand, clay, and humus. Plants grow in the soil. Humus in the soil helps plants to grow.